What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about aggressive scalping. I'm going to show you how exactly I enter my trades when it comes down to the lower time frames. Sometimes I tend to go as low as the 1 minute time frame, but that's how I basically enter those sniper entry positions where I open a trade and price immediately goes into my favor. So if that's something that you want to add to your trading, and if you manage to do that properly, you're going to be able to squeeze out as much profit as possible from your trades. And you're also going to be able to scale into your trades with a very decent, very nice entries. Okay, now I am currently doing the 100k challenge with the funded trader, and I'm just about to pass my phase 1. All right, so hopefully this is my last position, the one that I'm going to show you right now. It's a long position on gold. So without wasting any more time, let's hop onto the screen. Let's see where price currently is and what's my idea basically, and also how I got into this trade, what was my entry signal, and so on. All right, so let's head over to the screen right now. Okay, what's up everyone? I'm just about to pass the 100k challenge with the funded trader, and as you can see, this is my dashboard right here. This is my account number. This is what the graph looks like. I managed to make some good profit in the past few days. I started this challenge just last week, so it's basically going to take me about a full week to pass phase 1. Sometimes it takes me less time than that. Sometimes it takes even more time. It really depends on what the market conditions are, and if I have to be honest, recently they haven't been really good, and that made it a bit more difficult for me to gain profits. However, as you can see, everything looks good. My equity is 107k. I need 8% of that 100k, so that means about another $1,000. But this is what it says on the dashboard. So we're gonna have a look at the trading platform as well. So I'm going to show you what kind of positions I'm taking, and basically what is the position that I'm currently in, which is eventually going to pass the challenge for me. So let's do that. Let's hop on to the chart. I'm gonna pull it right here. Okay, so this is the 5 minute time frame on gold. Now if you look at the hourly time frame, I'm going to zoom out a little bit. As you can see, we are in a downtrend. Now ideally I want to wait for short positions, but since I am in the challenge and I really want to get rid of that challenge and proceed to phase 2 and then eventually to get the funded account, I've decided to trade the pullback as well. Okay, so basically this move right here. Now if I have to be honest, I am expecting that the pullback will end right around the 1640 level, and that's exactly where my take profit level is, and that's where, if price managed to get to my take profit level, I'm eventually going to pass phase 1. As you can see, this is my starting balance for the day. I was up about 5.3%. I managed to get in this trade right here, and I'm currently up around 2 grand, and I need just a little bit more in order to pass the challenge. So like I said, I'm trading the pullback, and this is what the hourly time frame looks like. It's definitely more risky to trade the pullbacks rather than waiting for positions to trade in the trend. And like I said, ideally I wanted to take a short position after the pullback, but I was looking at this pullback on the lower time frames, and I managed to get a really nice entry. As soon as price went in my favor, I actually moved my stops to break even, and I was basically risk free, so it was really easy for me to let the trade run and see what's going to happen next. So we're pretty much near my take profit level up here. We're going to be looking at the equity. As soon as it gets to 108, we're closing this position, but that's where pretty much my take profit is. So basically, what was the setup here? Right, so I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Now we're looking at the beginning of the pullback, this move right here. Okay, then we have the retracement inside of the pullback, and right around here I was basically waiting for price to give me a pullback to a Fibonacci level. And what am I talking about? So I took the Fibonacci retracement level, placed it right here, and I'm basically looking at the 38.2 level. I'm also looking at the 61.8 level, and this is pretty much where we've got this reversal, right? So unfortunately I wasn't at the computer at that time, and then I managed to see that next pullback happening, and I was like, that's where I'm going to be taking my trade. Okay, and as soon as we formed this consolidation right here on the 5 minute time frame, I've dropped down to the 1 minute time frame, and I saw that breakout happening right here. So I managed to get an entry with about 0.5% risk on my account balance, which at that time was 105. Okay, now I managed to get in right before the momentum right here. So if we go back to the 5 minute time frame, you can see that as soon as I entered, there was a little bit of a bullish momentum to the upside. So I moved my stops to break even right away. Okay, and like I said, I was just waiting to see if price is going to continue a bit more, a bit higher inside of this pullback to eventually get me to my take profit level. Now, the next thing we see is this bullish impulse right here, breaking above this previous high, breaking above this previous high as well. Okay, it then gives me a pullback, and that's where, if you look at the 1 minute time frame, we've got this next bullish impulse. So what did I do? I placed my Fibonacci retracement level right here, and we're looking again at the 38.2 level down here to around the 61.8 level. My Fibonacci was probably something like this. That's where it aligns perfectly with the Fib levels, right? And that's where I was basically expecting to see the next leg to the upside. So I didn't get another entry here. I would normally scale into my position, but that's only when, let's say, I'm just starting with a challenge, so I haven't made any profit on the 100k account. I would then definitely take another entry. Plus, my first position, my original position, was already a break even, so I was like, you know, I'm just gonna let it as it is, because I don't really need that much profit in order to pass phase one. So I didn't get another entry, but I would normally do that. I just moved my stop, you know, below the next higher low that we had, and that's where my stop loss currently is. So it's about $460 of profit. Even if price turns around and goes back into the trend, the worst is going to happen is I'm going to get out with nearly $500 of profit out of this position. Okay, and then I moved my stops just above. So my stops originally, they were at the level of 1639, 1638. Basically, I was using this Fibonacci expansion level right here, which starts from the beginning of the pullback and the first retracement inside of the pullback, and that gives me the take profit level at 1639, and that's where my original take profit was. But then I moved it a little bit higher, right around 1640, just because I saw that I'm going to need another $200, $300, $400 in order to pass phase one, and that's where I placed my take profit. All right, so hopefully I passed this challenge with this position. Hopefully this is the last trade on phase one for me on the funded trader $100,000 account. I'm then going to move on to phase two, and obviously I'm going to keep you up to date with what's going on here. I'm probably going to make another video about the funded trader once I get the funded account as well, and then there's probably going to be another one on my first payout if of course I get to that to that first payout, right? So hopefully that helps. Make sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know if you trade a similar strategy, or you know, do you scale into your positions when you're going through a challenge, right? I think that's going to help a lot of other traders that are currently trying to get funded. So leave a comment down below and I'll reply to each one of you guys. Hopefully you liked the information in this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like, leave a comment in the comment section down below, and you have a chance to win a free access to our premium channel where I send you know, daily video analysis and trading setups as well. Okay, now this is something that you can start implementing in your trading right away. Of course, I want you to backtest it first, see if it works well with your strategy, see if it fits well with your trading style, and if it does, like I said, you're going to be able to maximize your profits, take advantage of price action whenever it goes in your favor, and be able to find those really nice entries with very tight stops and large take profit levels. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to watch our last two videos where you can find more valuable information. Check out our channel for more trading related videos. I wish you all a successful trading, and I'll see you next time.